Hello and welcome to Research Gyan. In this video session, I shall discuss one of the widely used concept in marketing and especially in marketing analytics. And this concept is market basket analysis. This is the first part of the online series on marketing basket analysis. In this part, I shall discuss the conceptual understanding of what is market basket analysis and how it is useful by explaining its application in different contexts. Market basket analysis is especially important for the retailers. The retailers who are online or offline, they connect company with the ultimate customers. They are the last link between the company and customer towards the demand side of supply chain. The important aspect of their business is that retailers sell in small quantities, but at the same time they deal in variety of product categories. So if retailer is able to understand what are the products that are purchased in groups by its shoppers, then despite selling in small quantities, the retailer can be able to offer all those possible different combinations that its shopper willingly buy. So for all this, retailer is required to identify and explore the relationship between products of his shopper's purchase. For the understanding of how products from various product categories are being purchased by the shoppers, retailer can conduct analysis on transactional data. It is very general in experience. Whenever we visit to a coffee shop, we are asked that what would you like to order with coffee, sir? Now this is very interesting question because it conveys a lot of things to different people. As a consumer, it is a gesture of concern from the boy who is taking order. And for the restaurant owner, this question explore what can be sold with the coffee. Or specifically, through this question, restaurant owner would be able to find most commonly ordered combination. The analysis of the relationship between various products to find commonly purchased item is called market basket analysis. Through market basket analysis, we try to find which different kind of goods are complementary to each other by looking at the commonly purchased product in a transaction. In this sense, market basket analysis can be viewed as a technique which helps to discover pattern, trend, and mutual sales dependency of products sold. In this way, market basket analysis directly affect the profitability of a company. So for the definition part, we can define market basket analysis as a technique used by the retailer to analyze and understand association between the products sold by exploring the combinations of all those products that most of the time are purchased together by the customer. Market basket analysis is also called as product association analysis or frequent item set analysis or frequent product set analysis. I mean, we analyze purchase that commonly happens together during the market basket analysis. So what we have learned so far is market basket analysis helps retailers to develop better understanding of consumers, especially about their buying behavior. The focus of the market basket analysis is to point out the important and most frequent patterns, the patterns of the product that bought together or in combinations. Now I shall share with you how the market basket analysis is useful for retailers. To answer this question, one can discuss many advantages of market basket analysis. The first advantage of market basket analysis is that it guides retailers in forecasting the co-occurrence of purchase of goods. Now, how this kind of forecasting can be done? It can be done by conducting the analysis of last 1 year or 1 year, more than 1 year transactional data. And one can easily find out what are those product categories which usually found to be sold together in a transaction. So the real crux of this point is not just finding out what different categories of product are sold together, but actually the significance of this forecasting lies in managing the inventory and ensuring long-term profitability. Now let us see how it is linked. So if a retailer came to know that X and Y, two products sold together for the last 1 year time. Now if any of the two products go for out of stock, there are higher chances that customer would not purchase the remaining second product, because usually it is evident from the transactional analysis that customer purchase these two products together. So in more practical way, we can say that market basket analysis enable retailer to identify those product categories which must remain in stock. I mean, finding all those products for which availability must be ensured. Because if these products go out of stock, these would cause loss of sale in the other associated product category. So it was stated that market basket analysis guide the retailer in forecasting the co-occurrence of purchase of goods. Now second advantage is that it also guide retailer about how to allocate shelf space. In case of online retailing, it helps the online retailer by suggesting what products and product categories should be on the home page of the shopping portal. Now the third benefit or advantage of market basket analysis is that it is helpful in creating effective placement of the product within the store, and this way it helps in creating opportunity for cross-selling. I mean, if retailer came to know that the customer who purchase formal trouser, they also purchase clothing accessories like belt, tie, etc. So placing all these together could enhance the chances of cross-sell. So third benefit is about creating cross-selling opportunity is more possible if it is based on market basket analysis. Now the fourth benefit would be the market basket analysis is effectively used in designing bundles of goods based on strength of association just on the basis of co-occurrence of purchase in the billing or the transactional data. The fifth benefit of market basket analysis is that it is used in designing the effective promotional coupons, discount offers, and loyalty point based programs. All these can be impressively planned if retailer know about what different products are purchased together. So retailer can link the most frequently purchased product with the comparatively lesser purchased product in an offer. So thereby the retailer can increase chances to sell out onto different categories. In case of online retailer, list of product is displayed to the shopper with the statement that those who bought product X also bought product Y, or those who bought X were also interested in Y. Now see, these two statements use two different kind of analysis. Although both type of analysis are related to market basket analysis. The statement like those who bought X also bought Y. This statement is basically related to the analysis of billing, and the suggestions are coming out based on the billing. Whereas the statement like those who bought X were also interested in Y. So here it is about interest. So here browsing history data is also analyzed with the market basket analysis, and consumer who are on the home page of the portal are shown those product categories which are also browsed by other shoppers. So I can say that market basket analysis is very important to create recommendation system. Now these recommendation system could be browsing history based system, could be transactional database system. So with this, I have come to the end of this video session. Kindly share your feedback and how has been this session by marking your comment in the comment section. If you find this session useful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.